Hello, if you are wondering if there is dual SIM on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then the answer is yes. We can open the SIM tray, which is located on the left side of the device. We're gonna use the pin, of course, in order to remove the SIM tray from the device. There we go. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. It is really loose. It's really easy to lose the SIM cards once you put them in, so be careful. And over here, of course, we have the SIM slot 1. And over here we have the SIM slot 2 that is also shared with the memory card. So you can actually choose between the SIM card, another SIM card, and the memory card. You cannot use two SIM cards and a memory card at the same time. You need to choose. Alright, now we can put it back in. Be careful when inserting again, because they can just pop out as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.